Hi, good morning. Today's topic of discussion is recording day-to-day transactions in Teleprime. So today I'm going to show you the practical of how we can pass purchase entries and how we can create purchase invoice in Teleprime. So for this I have opened my purchase voucher. The shortcut key is F9. Here I'm selling the goods stock items to Confident Mobile Store on credit by supplier invoice number CMS 155. So here what I'll do, I'll add a supplier invoice number CMS/155. Date will be 2nd May. Here I will create a mobile Confident Store ledger under sundry creditors. I'll create purchase account ledger because the purchase account ledger is already available, already created by me earlier, so I don't need to create any duplicate ledger of purchase account. So here I'll create some stock items like Logitech M221 mouse I already created. Godown is Kolkata Godown. Quantity is 6 numbers at the rate 6800 per box. Next is Sony series, Kolkata location, and quantity is 7 numbers at the rate 4500. So it will comes out to be 31500. Next stock item is Oppo A31 mobile phone, Kolkata location. That means these all stock items are kept in Kolkata location warehouse. Quantity is 8 numbers at the rate 12,000, 96,000. And next is my plastic water bottle that is under Kolkata location. So it comes out to be 4 units at the rate 34,000. Alright, so this way this purchase entry is done now. So these are the additional details. I don't need to put these additional details. Alright, now I'll press Alt plus F5 and open my debit note voucher. Here they are saying that debit note means purchase return voucher. So here mobile confidence stores, they are like returning some stocks because due to some damage and some poor quality, the stock they are returning is mobile confidence store purchase account. Here Sony series, they are returning Kolkata location, they are returning 2 units at 4500 rupees. And then Logitech Kolkata location, they are returning 4 units at the rate 6800 per box. And then they are returning Oppo A31 mobile Kolkata location 2 units at the rate 12,000. Alright, so it means they are returning total 60,200 stock value back to the Suhan Software Private Limited. So this will comes under against reference. I'll show you against reference, and my pending bill is CMS 155. So it will be done like this. Alright, now I'll show you one activity where I'll show you the complete practical aspect of recording day-to-day transactions in Teleprime. Here I'll show you sales voucher F8. Here Suhan Software Private Limited sold the following stock items to Arihant Technologies on credit. So here the sales bill number is 7 and date is 2 June. So I'll rechange my date by clicking F2, and 2 June over here I will manually enter. Here I'll also manually enter 2 June, and I'll create a party account name is Arihant Technologies under sundry debtor. And here I'll create a sales ledger account, and then I'll create a stock item Samsung Galaxy J7 under mobile phone, and the unit is numbers, and go down is Bengaluru. So here I need to create a Bengaluru location. Quantity is 4 numbers at the rate 13,500. So the total comes out to be 54,000. Next stock item is Samsung S7 Edge. It will comes under mobile phone. Quantity is numbers. Go down is Bengaluru location. Quantity is 5 numbers. At the rate is 33,500. So this way my question is done now. Alright. I'll go back and I need to do some changes in the question. That is, I need to change the bill number at the end of the invoice. Here 7. Okay, so this way my question is done. Alright, now I'll go further. Now I'll do further sales question over here. So Hans Software Private Limited sold the following stock items to Sky Solutions with bill number 8 on 2nd June. Party account name will be Sky Solution. Under sundry debtors, sales account ledger will be here, and here I'll create a stock item Asus 14 laptop under electronic device, and the quantity is numbers. Go down is daily location, so I need to create daily location. Go down over here. Quantity is 1 number at the rate 40,500. Alright. Next stock item is Dell i3 laptop. Under electronic device, quantity is numbers, daily location. Once the location is created by me, I don't need to create duplicate location of the same. Go down. 1 number at the rate 35,000. Next is Logitech K230 keyboard. It will comes under electronic device, and the quantity is box. Daily location, quantity is 1 box at the rate 11,500 per box. So it will comes out to be 11,500. So this way this question is also done. So here I need to change my bill number to 8, from 4 to 8. So this way my question is done. Alright, so I hope you understood each and everything very carefully. So I'll get back to you for further topics in next videos. I hope you understood each and every voucher practically in Teleprime, how it works in practically in Teleprime. Now before closing down the conversation, I want to show you the daybook. Daybook is this. I'll show you the daybook of 1st April. So this is the daybook of 2nd April. When you need to check the detail mode, you just need to press Alt plus F1. Alright, so these are the recent entries I have done in Hitesh Traders company. Alright, so thank you so much. I'll get back to you with some other interesting topics. in further videos. Thank you so much.